I think the live is somewhere on our social media pages to understand.
Five, four, three, two, one, slap!
Lenkululeko yinkemba eyasishumpula izandla mhla sikhangezwa ilungelo lokuphila. Iyisinqindi esazibhokoda ngaso mhla sicaca nobupha esigcawini samaphepha okuvota. Ekudleni kwayo okwembethe igazi lamaqhawe kuqaqele nemizwilili eyalolozela onembeza bamaqabane ngephimbo elimnandi lenkece. Nanamuhla basabhudla imbudlane ngaphansi kwesixhokolo sezethembiso zeminyaka ezisaphupha ngokufezwa nanamuhla. Iphalamende likhihla esikanandi ngokuphendulwa isilaha sokuhlinzela ezibini umthetho sisekelo osungumfuziselo wesidumbu sikabiko obunjwe izandla ezinodaka zenkohlakalo eyathumba ubulungiswa obabusesandleni sengalo yomthetho singakafundi ukukhangeza kwabasezikhundleni esikhundleni sokubabamba. Yiso lesiya sigezana neseziphathimandla ngegazi lekusasa leNingizimu Afrika. Indlovukazi ethwele isicholo sobuntu yabhincane ndathane yamalungelo njengesivende ebihlabelela yenanela imvunge yemithala ingakadlwengulwa kunyakulwa igolide phakathi kwamathanga ayo. INingizimu Afrika, our beautiful land, with a log drum for a heartbeat. The graveyards are her lungs and black bodies her oxygen. She wears the storm for a cape, have dark clouds for eyes and thunder for a voice, but she speaks the language of the rainbows. Rainbows that drink from the fountain of her tears, the reigning queen of a flooded castle. This stillborn freedom is Her Majesty's precious princess that was buried in the belly of the Freedom Charter. Thank you.
Thank you very much.